Money, money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped a Molly and I think it's be my third.
What is up, guys? This is not a video that I normally make, but this is on my small account, and I think this video is absolutely the perfect case scenario on how you can use such little amounts of money in order to make money. I'm going to show you exactly how. I'm going to show you the order that got filled and sold. So watch. So right here, I'm dragging this over right here. You guys can see down here, I got filled on January 31st for the expiration. Again, this is time. You can literally see the date and time here. It's all time stamped. My order ID. I bought one Tesla call right here at 0.74 right here. So that was this small move. I was buying it right in here. Actually, it was all in this candle that's still going on right now, that's getting ready to change in 3 minutes. So I want to make this video short. And then if you look, guys, you guys see I made $18 already. This was the call that I bought. Again, we are way out of the money. You guys can see this is in the money. This is out of the money based on the shade of color. This is, I'll show you more up here. But $18, guys, and let's see. So that was at $9.50, and at $9.50, I canceled a couple of orders when I was trying to get filled here. At $9.51, so it took me, well, 9:51 and 51 seconds. So it took me 3 to 4 minutes basically to take $18 because I got filled right here at 0.92, guys. Literally 0.74, 0.92. You gotta times that times 100 because these are contracts, guys. I was literally just buying it in here and I sold it as it tested this line. You guys see that I had this line? It was showing momentum. I still think that it's possibly going to break through up here. Just for right now, though, this instance, I knew that it was at least going to test this portion. So I bought it at 0.75 and I sold it at 0.92 right here, guys. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So that being said, let's jump back to the video. It's all timestamped. This is all right here. As you guys can see that I got an order canceled at 0.9. We got just a little bit more out of it. I took $18 profit, guys, using literally $74 because basically it's 0.74 times 100, so $74, and I got back $18. So that's actually over 18% profit right there on just that tiny move using this small account. And I knew this move was coming and I knew it could have happened. That's why I switched over to my small account. I have my E-Trade account over here because Thinkorswim has been having problems with large amounts of orders and stuff like that. So I haven't really been day trading on my Thinkorswim account. My big account, I've been really sticking to E-Trade. E-Trade's been good to me over the years, so I went back to E-Trade and they've been working great. But $18, guys, in the matter of just a few minutes, guys, using the exact strategy that I teach my students, guys. This is no BS right here. Literally, right here. 0.74. This is all timestamped today. You guys can see that I canceled this order to sell at 0.90. I mean, guys, this is just super easy. And I'm even going through, you guys can see my canceled orders. And it says I'm out. I canceled my order there. And then eventually I put it back in for 0.92. I literally sat on it for probably 5 seconds and that order filled because it was starting to push back up. Because look, this is another green candle. I do think that we're going to get over 650 today. I'm not saying that's right now. Just everything's saying that it's really probably going to push back over that. And you guys got to realize why I played this and why I thought it was at least going to test 650. That's all in my strategy. Plus Tesla had earnings, guys. If you guys want to look at Tesla's earnings from last night, it went from closing at around 580 all the way up to 659, guys. Those are huge, gigantic moves, guys. This is just proof that I made this on a super small account. Not even my big accounts, guys. I was able to make $18 extra, guys. What can $18 extra a day do for you guys? I'm not saying that you're going to make 18% every day. But if you can make 5 to 6% every day, guys, it's going to be an absolute game changer. So with that being said, guys, I want to make this video super short. Thank you guys all for watching. And if you guys have any comments, questions, ask below. I respond to every single comment out there. So I look forward to talking to you guys here soon.